Hello, my name's Rebecca. I'm the Manager of Projects and Assets here at the Shire of York. I'm here on Quellington Road, an important regional distributor road east of York, where we have just recently finished our latest road upgrades. The original road out here was very narrow and in poor condition, which meant that vehicles had to move onto the unsealed shoulder to pass each other, a serious safety concern. These most recent upgrades have rebuilt over 1 kilometre of road, widening it from a less than 4 metre seal to a full 7 metre 2-lane road, which is providing a much safer carriageway for our community. This project has been funded through the WA Government, the Australian Government's Road to Recovery program and the Shire of York, and is a very significant upgrade with over $850,000 invested in this stage alone. But we know there is more to do, and that's why we're planning to be back out at Quellington Road next financial year to do the next section of road as part of our commitment to provide a safe road network for all road users and our wider community.